Let's look at 7, 8, and 9, page 102. Find each missing measurement to the nearest hundredth. So it's telling us nearest hundredth. So circumference equals pi yards. So we start with the formula. Circumference equals pi times diameter. Well, there's no number here, and this is probably what's throwing you off. If there was a number, we could put 1, right? Because 1 pi is the same as pi. So circumference equals pi times 1, which means the diameter is 1 yard. And if the diameter is 1 yard, the radius is half a yard, and it's actually 0.5 yards. So that's kind of tricky, but if you know that there's a number there, we just don't write it all the time, the 1, then you plug it into the formula, you can see that the diameter is 1. So here we have circumference equals pi times diameter. Formula, now we're going to substitute. They're giving us the circumference, that's 78.8, and it's telling us to use 3.14 for pi. So the circumference is 3.14 times the diameter. So how do we get the diameter? How do we solve for the diameter? Well, you would need to divide 3.14 on both sides. So 78.8 divided by 3.14. And so the diameter is 25.095. And if you did it, you got more numbers, but it's telling us to round to the hundredth. So we need to round this 9. That 5 makes the 9 go up, so the diameter is actually 25.1 feet. And if the diameter is 25.1, we need to take half of that to find the radius. So divide 25.1 by 2, and you get 12.55 feet. Last one, 9. They're giving us the diameter, which is 3.4. That's pretty simple. We just need to divide that by 2 to give us the radius. So divide 3.4 by 2, and you get 1.7 inches. And now to find the circumference, we do the formula. Circumference equals pi times diameter. Now we need to substitute. Circumference equals 3.14 times 3.4. And once we do the formula and substitute, it is time to solve. So 3.14 times 3.4, and we get 10.676. Do not write 10.676 up here. It is wrong because you need to round to the hundredth. So you need to round this 7. That 6 makes the 7 go up. So the circumference is 10.68 inches.